wondering where I found a magic broom. Well, I found it in a sneak stairs. You may not think my jokes are funny, but my broom is all right.
Oh, it is working! Yes! I'm sending it to I guess it's not going to work. No problem.
Just keep to the left and don't turn right. Scan station on. Station on clear.
It's a good thing, Frau. Excellent case your rescue. Yeah, next time you might not be so lucky. Now, get up on the lap bar and exit carefully to your left. Now, off with you. Enjoy your day at Busch Gardens. Auf Wiedersehen!
Okay, how's it going?
Please move carefully into the seats directly in front. Move into the end of the room. Have a seat and pull the lap bar down over your leg. You're not holding on this time. Take a step behind the line. That's right. One step, you're doing great. Now I'll use my magic to close the gate. Ah, there. I nailed it. Coordinates. Remember, no use arms after it. Please let go of your lap bar so it might be checked for you at this time. During the ride, remain seated. That's right. Oh, also, keep your hands, arms, and legs down and inside the car with your head back against the headrest. And remember, when you get to Verbolten tomorrow, don't turn right, because I'm not going to save you.
Scan station 2. Station 2 clear.
Don't expect me to save the day. Don't turn right. 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 Fine, I'll save you. But you'll have to give me 5 stars. Now go! Back to the garage.
How's Jamie doing? Again!